Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Easter DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Easter sign that I recently got from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is. I know I seen two different colors, one with a white bunny and this one with this brown bunny, and the other one said like hippity hop or something like that. But anyways, I am going to take this apart and remove the metal and the bow. I'm not going to remove the paper because I will be adding some of this moss thing. I think this is moss, but I got these from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to just glue them on the bunny. I am using hot glue instead of like tracing it because it was falling apart. I am going to glue it and then I'm going to go over it with scissors and cut it. And this is how it looks. Now to finish this off, I will be adding the bow that I removed earlier. The next thing I will be doing is painting this wood box that I got from the Dollar Tree. I will be removing the lid, then using this acrylic paint and adding a little bit of water so it can look more like a stain. Adding a little bit of floral foam inside the box. Now that I have my base ready, I'm going to add a wood dowel to the bunny. Now I'm going to add the stick on the foam, and I will be adding a lot of hot glue. Different ways you can do this. You can add some rocks, you can even add some Spanish moss inside, but instead I decided to add some of this lavender pick that I got from Walmart. I'm going to cut a lot of different little stems and then just add them there. And that is it for this beautiful bunny planter. Look how cute this turned out. It's absolutely my favorite one. For my next project, I will be using the leftover parts from the bunny, and I'm using the Easter sign, which I didn't like the yellow letters, so instead I will be going over with some black paint. I will be adding the word happy using the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters to this sign that I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. I'm actually reusing this, but Dollar Tree carries different signs that you can use instead. To decorate this some more, I will be adding some carrots. Now I have two different sizes, these big ones and some smaller ones. I will be adding a big one and a small one on one side and a big one on the other side. But I got these carrots from the Dollar Tree, and that is it for this cute happy Easter sign. For my next project, I will be using this sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I love these signs because you don't have to do much to them, but add something to them. And for my next project, I will be using this sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful this is. I love it because all you have to do is just add one or two things, and that is like a perfect little sign. Now, I got these little bunnies from the Dollar Tree. I will be adding 3 of them. And then I'm going to use the carrot that was left over from the sign and add it at the bottom. And that is it for this quick and easy sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this sign. Now, I got this during Valentine, but Dollar Tree always carries these type of signs just with different images inside. Now, as I was removing the paper, I pulled it too hard that I accidentally broke this, but I actually really like this because I was able to remove the inside, and then I removed the paper. Now I'm going to use this little booklet that I got from the Dollar Tree recently, which I found this little bunny, which is actually the perfect size for this. Now I'm going to use my Elmer's glue stick and glue this. Now I'm going to just add the backpack on the frame, glue it together, and to finish it off, I will be making a bow using the leftover ribbon. And that is it for this little cute decor sign. And that is it for these quick and easy Easter DIYs. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.